Hello, my name is Matthew, and I have the privilege of being paid by Ericsson to make the world a better place through open source, and for that I am grateful. I want to show something cool today. Now, some people have asked me, how can I record a kernel trace and a UST trace at the same time? And the way to do it via LTTng.org is very simple. It's very straightforward, but there are a few steps. We can actually do it simpler if we use the LTTng utils package on GitHub, which is not endorsed by neither Ericsson or IFISUS. And then, to install it, you just do this. sudo pip3 install git hp and the address here. However, due to recent security constraints, it needs to be pipx instead of 3. And you need to remove upgrade. So, once you've installed it, what you can do is you can go and make your program. And then once you have a program, in this case we are doing the UST demo, you can run it. Normally to run it, you would do demo trace, right? Simple. Now instead you do LTTng record trace -a for all events, demo trace, and bingo, you have a trace here. So I'm going to just copy the selection, go to my trace folder in Trace Compass, import trace, and in this case I paste, I press enter, I check it, and I create the experiment. Now we're going to open it. I'm going to open the experiment, and bingo, there it is. If we take a look a little closer, we will see that we have our LTTng phase here, and then we have right here demo UST, and I'm going to enlarge it. Which has some little tick marks. And if you zoom in, you can see that the tick marks are from your UST events. Now what this allows you to do, and I think it's really cool, you can see what is happening on the kernel level between your ticks. For example, between this event and this one, and to navigate to them, it's the period and comma key. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 syscalls. So you know that it's not just your program that's running. And let's say we zoom out. Between this event, I'm pressing shift now, and I'm pressing period. The next one, which is all the way over here, you've been scheduled out. And you're being interrupted by, well, not by Java, but there seems to be some contention going on. So with this, you can actually see what happens between two normal events. And do remember that from your application level, all of this is transparent, so here you're getting insights that you don't normally get. I sincerely hope this helps you. I hope that you can now correlate some user space events and kernel events, and I hope that all your problems become much more shallow because of these kind of helpers. I'm going to just take a peek at the critical path, which will be very simple. You can see here, it's quite simple. Your demo is running. Have a great day. Please keep tracing.